Sounds good. I didn't like my introduction anyways. So.
There you go. Well, now you got to read it.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, Madeline here from 3D Natives, and we are here today in beautiful Los Angeles, California for Rapid Plasticity 2024. And in collaboration with SME, we are talking today with some of the most exciting exhibitors who are present at the event, starting with Stratasys. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me.
And could you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Fadi Abro. I work at Stratasys and I lead our automotive vertical globally.
Where did you come from today?
So I'm coming from Detroit. It's a good place to be to lead our automotive vertical globally for Stratasys. And on that topic, I'm very excited for Rapid TCT to be in Detroit next year.
When did you first learn about 3D printing and what did you think of it?
It's a good question. So I first learned about 3D printing in 2010. That's actually when I entered the industry. At the time, I was just researching new and innovative manufacturing methods and found 3D printing and just fell in love with it and have been in the industry ever since.
Well, that kind of brings us to our next question, which is, when you think about additive manufacturing, what do you see the benefits of using the technology and adopting it?
I think at a high level, it's all about finding places where additive solves a problem. We've sort of passed the point where people are adopting it just because it's cool. So now what problem are we solving? If I speak about the automotive industry specifically, we're designing cars faster, we're manufacturing cars more efficiently with printed tooling, we're finding better ways to make spare parts. So it just depends on the industry, but what it boils down to is we're solving problems at an industry level.
And is this the first time you've been at Rapid Plasticity?
Stratasys as a company has attended Rapid TCT for a long time. Personally, I've probably been, 8 or 9 Rapid TCTs in my career with Stratasys.
When you think of Rapid TCT, what is the first word that comes to mind?
It's hard for me to come up with just one word to describe Rapid plus TCT, but the first thing that comes to mind is excitement. I feel a lot of excitement in the air and energy.
That was more than one word, but we'll take it. Which now brings us, of course, to the event. What would you say are the advantages of an event like Rapid Plasticity, specifically for Stratasys?
For us, it's good to be at a place where people come and learn about 3D printing. We are very much interested in showcasing our new products. We're constantly innovating, we're constantly developing new solutions for industry, and we want a place to display those, and there's no better place than Rapid TCT.
Fantastic. Where do you see the additive manufacturing industry in 20 years, and same for Stratasys?
I think you and a whole lot of analysts want to know specifics on that, but I will say that for us as an industry, we're going to continue to develop solution-based offerings. So again, people are not buying because something is cool, they're buying because it solves a problem. Stratasys specifically is dedicated to innovation, making things faster, cheaper, improving quality, getting a better return on investment. That's where we're going to be in the next 5 to 20 years.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today. It was a pleasure.
Thank you for having me.